Alright, I hope you're excited for more hard labor. Alright, things are getting serious. Things are getting real serious. Last time, we took this evil gorilla, okay, and we made him actually able to do his thing, okay? Now, the issue was, I had the setting for him to become enraged if he was above 50% health, but below 1% health. Seeing my issue here? Now I've got it between 1% health and 50% health. He'll become enraged. Okay. One thing I want to do real quick before we get started. I want to change all of this music here down to 30%. Everything to 30%. Because it is so loud. And normally I don't watch back my own videos. But I was looking at the previous one before I uploaded it, and I realized you can barely fucking hear what I'm saying when I am in battle, just because of all of the sounds. It's a little whew. Okay. Should I change the battles to side view? No. Okay. That airship is looking a little grievous. Okay, I'm getting distracted. My plan for the day. We are going to capture fire, alright? Here's how. Here's what we're doing. Okay. Our gorilla needs... We essentially need to add fire damage to our weapons in order to defeat the gorilla, okay? Because that's his weakness element. He takes reduced damage from physical attacks, which are the only attacks we have at the moment. And in order to beat him, you need fire, or you're just going to lose. We also need some sort of special armor, I believe, because otherwise these gamers might just get messed up, because they take a lot of damage. Especially Chuck here. Chuck dies so quickly. Bella, not so bad. I think that's mostly... sorry. I think that's mostly to do with their classes. Yeah, level 1, 335. Level 99, 597. 5097. Or if we look at... oops. This 7,788 growth type. Normal. These classes are something I'm gonna definitely look at in the future. But for now, we're just gonna leave it the way it is. Yes. Okay. No, do not discard the changes to the database. I don't think I made any changes to the database. Okay. So, here's what we're going to do. I think it might be time to expand on the overworld a little bit. I know it's scary. I know it's frightening. But I think we can do it. Alright. Because what needs to happen is we need to get a second location. Oh, I've completely covered that up. That's okay. We're going to do an overworld overhaul. Alright? I think is the plan. Now, stay with me now. We're going to reset it. This is a little, calm down, everybody. We're going to, We're going to add this village back in. What? How did this happen? What is happening right now? Why is only half the village showing up? What if I... Okay. So, here's what I'm actually going to do. I'm going to make a village that looks like this. Ooh, that's kind of small. I mean, all of our options are kind of small. Interesting. Is that the Rainbow Road? Interesting. Okay. Gotta make some decisions here. It's unbelievable. Okay. That's gonna be the starting town. Are you happy with it? I hope you are. We're going to add some trees. Oh, lordy. Some trees surrounding it. Heading back here. Ah, that's why. Okay. We're going to add the path back in. Where'd the path go? Oh. We are not cooking. Okay. Back to the path. Oh, Lord. I can't draw. Okay. There's the path. We're going to add some burnt out forests. Let's try and be intentional. Try and be intentional. Okay. That's bad. Pretty bad. Let's trim this down a little bit. Oh. Okay, let's add in some normal mountains. Okay. There we go. Oh, don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. Okay. Let's add in some water up here. Try and make that coastline look kind of natural. Semi kind of natural. And then some forests here. And some forests over here. Okay. We are cooking. Let's see here. Add a little bit of forest around this. I think we'll have this be sort of like our starting space, right? So I'll drag this guy down here. And I'll drag this over here. And then I'll create an event for this sign. We're gonna show text. I'm gonna say north. What should we call the village? Think with me. Think with me, everybody. Let's put some brain cells together. Rub your temples right now. I know you're not doing it. Rub your temples with me. I'm rubbing my temples. You can't see it. I don't do face cams here. But I'm rubbing the temples. Little town. East Forests of Doom. Okay. Apply. We'll call that sign 1. Apply. Let's test out this game. The Overworld Overhaul is in place. Ah! Foiled again. Foiled again. Player touch. What is going on? My cats are losing their minds right now. How did we do this for the other one? Don't mind my NVIDIA overlay. Action button. Was it... What was it? Was it priority same as character? I'm gonna just do same as character, action button, and direction fix. And surely one of those will fix it. Or some combination of those will fix it. Yeah. I've noticed an issue. To the left is west. That's going to be an issue. That's a problem. That's a problem. It's okay. Easy to fix. Fumbled again. West. Okay. Apply that change. Now, here's the issue. There's going to be a desire to go directly to the Forest of Doom, I would assume, for some players. So how are we going to prevent that from happening? Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the map. Nope, we're going to go right here. We're going to create an event. Dude, we're going to do this straight up like Pokemon style. Wait, no. We can add a rock. Oh, I swear to God, we can add a rock. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, that looks awful. We got to change that immediately. Huh. Okay, okay, okay. Nature. What? That's not nature at all. That's animals. I mean, I guess animals are nature, but, you know. Okay. That don't look right either. Apply. What does that look like in game? Because I'm sure it can't look good. Oh, it looks beautiful. Okay. Priority. Same as characters. I'm going to call this the pig event. Okay, show text. A large pig blocks the path. He looks a little angry. Okay. We're going to create a conditional branch. We're going to say if we're going to look for an item, we're going to give item 1, sure. Okay. If party has reserved. Let's go to the database. Trust me now. Okay, we're going to call this slop. A delightful slop made of all your favorite foods. What icon for this? Trust me now. What's the sloppiest looking one? I'd like there to be just like a bowl, like slop. Yeah. A bag of delightful slop made of all your favorite foods. Apply that. Okay. If party has slop, show choices. Nope, I want to show text first. Show text. Feed the pig your delicious slop. Come on now. The question mark is somewhere around here. There we go. Now we'll show some choices. Yes and no. When yes, show text. The pig is satisfied. You are devastated. Okay. Show text. The pig frowns. Disgusted by your greed. Do you think there's a... Do you think there's a face for the pig? Oh yeah, there is, baby. We gotta be adding that in immediately. Apply that. Okay. Oh, when yes, we need to also erase event. Yes. Okay. Apply that. Boom. Oh, you scared me, cat. Jumped right on the bed. Devastating stuff. I actually kind of want to move that there. We're going to go back into the map maker. Oh, horrifying. We're going to grab the sign and we're going to throw it in the woods here. Beautiful. Okay. There's one other thing I want to add in the map. Can I? Oh, that looks horrifying. I want to put down some docks. I feel like that might be good. But I'm not seeing any good options for the docks. Maybe I'll just throw down like something over here. Okay. We're straying a little way away from the original vision, but I think that's okay. Event. Go to docks. And this is going to be a super easy event. I always forget this. In order to take you somewhere, you have to have somewhere. Docks. We're gonna say outside. Okay. Oof. That looks a little rough. Is that? Okay. Now we're gonna go to docks, transfer player to the docks. Right around there. Okay. And we're gonna fade in the screen. Apply that. We're gonna work on the docks. Should I work on the docks later? First, I think what we need to do is add a way to get slop, which I think is gonna have to do with this guy. Yeah, baby. Can buy slop. Edit it. For specify 100 gold. Okay. Apply that. Can buy slop. This tent looks horrible. Okay. Let's see here. Where am I going? Overworld. We're going to edit this. Can I? I have an idea. Follow me here. We're going to cut the erase event. We're going to control self switch A to on. New event page for self switch A is on. It's going to have no image. And if you go on it, you're going to scroll the map to the left. Okay. Hold on. I don't understand what I've just done. Scroll the map to the left? What does that even mean? Well, I have a theory. I think it would scroll the map to the left. But no way to prove it. Okay. I think I'm going to apply this. I think I gotta change this to left facing pig. It looks weird. Let me see how it looks in game. Okay, that looks a large pig blocks the path. He looks a little angry. Still get into town. Boom, beautiful. These pathways lead out of town, but there is no out of town, so maybe we'll work on that at some point. Actually, what am I talking about? I can work on that right now. Let's go to town. Let's start off by just blocking this one off. you can still see it quite clearly. That's because the path continues. So we're gonna need to block that off there. I'm gonna drop that there. Call that beautiful. Okay, we're gonna call this sign 2. I'm gonna say, same as characters, show text. East. I want the east one to just... Huh. Should the east just take you back to the overworld? I'm not sure. What do I want to put here? East. Louise. Come on now. Where's the... Somewhere on a keyboard there is... Okay. Alright, kitten. Okay, kitten. Where's the... Trust me, everyone, it's not my first time. I need you to tell me. Tell me. Send it to my mind right now. Oh, what the hell is that? What the hell is that? Oh my god. Hold on. Okay. Approximately 10, maybe 15 minutes has passed. Most of that time has been spent... with my cat, who is being very affectionate right now, so we're going to try and work through it. So if you see any strange inputs or awkward pauses, it's because I'm wrestling this cat who just wants to be loved. My other cat, completely asleep. I'm talking full volume. He's 2 feet away and just completely conked out. Oh. Yes, kitten. I understand. Okay. So. Oh. To the east. We are putting... Oh, Lord. I'm one-handed in this. We are putting... George's... I figured it out. George's... No. What were we calling it? It wasn't George. It was Louis. Okay, cat. Okay, away from the keyboard. Louis Vuitton. Louis Bar and Grill. Boom. Isn't that nice? And then to the west, we're gonna put... Oops. We're gonna put... We're gonna put Old Town? That doesn't sound good. What should we put to the west? What would a small village have? It has a blacksmith, has 2 tents. gonna say town hall. Okay. Boom. Apply. That's all we need, right? What do I have on this side? Is it just, it's literally just the text. Okay. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to town. We're gonna, new, I'm gonna call this bar and grill. Okay. Boom. I'm gonna go back to the map making zone. At this point, I don't even remember what I was gonna do this session. I was gonna do fire, but we're in the middle of something, okay? Here, before I add the path, let me just add the building, right? Oh, I have this set to Overworld. Edit. I want it to be outside. Okay. Yes, this way we have some building blocks to work with. Oh. Okay. Now, oh lordy. We're gonna try and make this building a little bigger than the others. Okay. Let's start with a stone floor. Follow that up. Some log walls. Oops. Does this look peculiar? It does. That's okay. Let's shingle that roof. Now you may be asking yourself, how do you make this not look weird? I'm asking myself the same thing. That definitely looks weird. Maybe if I add another row like that, if I sort of do like one of these operations. Oh, that looks really quite peculiar. Okay. Then if how about I add something like this? Does that seem normal? Can I add? Will this help? You can be honest. Looks a little strange. Let's go here. What does this look like? Okay. Looks bad. Oops. Y'all gotta trust the process. You just gotta trust the process. Oh Lord. Okay, how many crosses it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna need to start from scratch. That was the worst building I've ever seen in my life. How about red brick building? Ooh. That looks bad. I think, first of all, I need to replace this with this. Yeah, that way it doesn't. Okay. Let's see here. Let's count some numbers here. So how far across this? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. Let's cut off 3 on each side. So let's go here. These are our markers. Okay. Now let's... Got a little too high there. Let's just fill this in here like this. Okay. That's better. We're making progress. What does this look like? That's horrible. Let's try and add some... Wonder if I could add some log trim to this. Would that look terrible? It does, especially with the... Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras right now. That's the wrong break. Cut the cameras right now. This looks like it's supposed to be flooring rather than any sort of wall. What does this look like? That's curtains. That's snowed upon brick. Here's what might help me. If I go into the tile sets for outside, what's a wall and what's floor? So that's floor. Okay. This is wall though. Don't like the look of that. That's better. Not great. Okay. Call it. Start over. Logs. Oh. Okay. Okay, call it. Go back to whatever I had before. Shingle roof on that. Oh, it looks real bad. It looks real bad. Oh, it looks horrifying. Oh, what is that? What happened? Oh, no. Oh, sweet Jesus. Okay. How are people making doors in this video game? What are people using as doors? I have to know. Why does that keep happening to me? Is that a door? It kind of looks like a door. Okay, let's get some windows in here. Why is this continually happening? Okay. This is a cheat code right here. Makes everything look right with the world. Well, not everything. Okay, I think we're making some progress. We just gotta make this somehow look less peculiar. Okay, that's a start. What happens if I throw another one on? I don't like that. This is a start. I feel like we're making a little progress. It looks a little strange. Just trust me for a second. Oh, that looks horrifying. I really do not know why that's happening. Okay. That doesn't look good. Yeah, can I add some bushes out front? Sorta. I want it to be a little bit different perspective from that. Add the path. Oh. Okay, well, we've messed something up. Where'd that door come from? Oh. Oh no. Wait, honestly, where was that? Come on now, it's somewhere around here. Ah, here we go. Okay. Here's what I'm adding. You're not gonna believe it. Oh, that looks perfect. If I trust me on this. Trust me on this. Oh no. Oh no. We're back. We are so back. That was the scariest moment of my life. Okay. Adding an event here. Calling this closed sign. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set up a sign here that says bar and grill closed, temporarily closed due to I don't know, rampage. Gorilla rampage. Right? And then if I can find a sign, will it only let me go from the tile sets I have? Yes, baby. It's my cat I'm talking to, not you, you freak. Oh, I just want the other sign, though. That's unfortunate. Okay, we'll have to settle for I could just do nothing. And I could say piece of paper is, okay, cat, is nailed to the door. Okay. Then I'll throw down another text. Louis' bar and grill is temporarily closed due to guerrilla rampage. Come back soon. Okay. Boom. Apply that. Here we go. Now let's go to town. Let's throw down a go to bar. Come on, fade out the screen. Transfer the player to right here. Okay. We'll fade in the screen. Apply that. Go to the bar and grill. Throw down the same thing. Actually, yeah, no. Go to town. Fade out the screen. Transfer the player to town. Right here. Okay. Fade in the screen. Apply that. Okay. Now can I'm gonna throw this here. Yeah. And then this I'm gonna throw up here. I don't think we're gonna make the docks today. I think we're just about done for the day. Yeah. Completely not what I was planning to do at all, but I kind of had fun. We've got some more stuff we get to work on. We can work on inside the bar and grill for when we can unlock it. We can work on the docks. Ooh, the docks. Dripping with potential. We'll eventually add a place where we can get fire. I think the overworld's looking quite a bit better. I mean, does it look great? No. But it looks somewhat reasonable now, which is all I can ask for. And yeah, I'd say today was pretty successful. I'll see y'all on the next one. Thank you.